Yo, what is up guys, I'm Dame, welcome back to Dameandthatgame. We have a brand new Black Ops 3 video for you today. And today I will be attempting the MR6 challenge. My gun's going to run out pretty quick, so we're going to use the MR6. And then whenever we run out of ammo, we're going to have to use the knife. I've recently done a knife only challenge, got to rank 13, so I don't see getting to rank 13 would be much of a problem. Though, with the kickback of the MR6 when it's upgraded, I'm pretty sure I'll end up downing myself somewhere along the line. Try and get as many headshots as we can. Stop me again. Right. So that's the MR6 used. Now I have to use the knife.
Double points! Our mission to recover the Dempsey test subject is now in jeopardy. The capsule containing his body
right here.
Above the Earth itself.
Gondola, whatever you want to call it. No quick revive as always. I bought a quick revive last time, but double points. Okay, get
double points! Is it betrayal for me to like this increase in earning power?
Come on.
Taste Russian steel!
So slow. So slow. Oh, there we go. Back out with the gun.
State will provide for our needs. Like bear with gun.
Nice.
Is it possible that Richtofen lured us here only for his evil allies to?
You're gonna need a hell of a lot of points to get this sorted.
If walls could speak, they'd probably tell Nikolai to stop nailing boards to them.
Right, we can do this one. Let's get our 3 points in here. Nice. Let's open up this. Right. Killed him. I still laid a whole clip into him. Nice. Check behind me. Right, out again. But we have enough now to open up. Damn, I need a hell of a lot of points. Ugh.
Be patient, hell pigs. Nikolai needs
turn this
more
on. We can open this door.
This is where other Richtofen lived before. Well,
And we can open
before
up
Richtofen put bullets
this
in
door.
Richtofen.
Power on.
Behold, the miracle of electricity.
Sweet. Back a bunch. There's one of them.
Huh. Oh, I have seen you before.
Need to turn this on. Now what we're going to need, like, I need 1500 points to open up the teleporter. I need 500 points to teleport. I need 5000 points to pack a punch. And I'm going to need another 500 points to get back. Should I turn this on? Oh yeah, shield. I better get the shield. Got a shield. Oh great. I ain't got time to do that one. No, you don't. We ain't having that. Ready to have a max. So we get max ammo.
The sooner they die, the happier I will be.
Okay, sweet. Let's go. No.
Stab! Stab! Stab!
Nice. Where is he? Any more? Okay, sweet. Right,
What
first
is
part.
this for? Anyone know?
Oh, this is when its skill runs out. And I get what did I say? This is when its skill runs out, yeah. I can really do without max ammo now. Right, I'm gonna build my... Oh, it's probably over... Hang on, was that it? No, it was up in the clock tower. Huh? Clock tower. Not there. Oh, there it is. I blended in.
I will guard this with my life, though I hope it does not come to that.
Okay. Okay, not there. Not there. I was on the staircase. Okay. Go.
Eagles Nest, this is Griffin Station. Come in.
I still haven't got the MR6. This has all been on knife only so far. I've got no ammo.
Richtofen, is that you? When we didn't hear from you, we failed the worst.
What do I need now? I still need like 5,000, well, like 6,000 points actually.
It's me, Edward. Any reports from the Giants suggesting my demise are erroneous.
6,000 points is like nearly 60s on this.
Nikolai does not
Okay, 3
appreciate
hits.
your touch.
I definitely want speed coda. Oh wow. But then like, if I keep taking that, I'm gonna keep wasting my points. I need the points.
Your time on Earth is at an end.
Yeah, we're not gonna go for it, I don't think. I'm gonna just get the points. Otherwise, we're gonna end up knifing on like round 6. That's what I didn't want. Water smell. Come on. Great.
We can take a moment to consider our next move.
Got it anyway. Oh no.
Eagles Nest, this is Griffin Station. We have an update.
If I get dogs this round,
Dr. Grove, have you made any progress?
I'm pretty much screwed.
Yeah, Doctor. The machine is ready. Innovating the conduit.
No dogs. Okay. Yeah, that's good. I should be able to get enough to get.
Join you shortly. Security protocol
that's 4
935. No, actually. Maxis and his daughter have already been dealt with.
Double points. Another German.
Right.
That is all we need. I will deal with you all in time.
Oh. It's getting kind of pushy right here. No, no, you don't. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh my god.
I know you are not infectious. Or perhaps I am immune? You think strength
this
in
is just
numbers
so.
will give advantage?
This is so hard. I mean, you know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna get my MR6 and then go down.
It was my mistake for allowing you to get close.
Oh my god, let's get out of here. Oh, how many points do I need now? I'm gonna need roughly 2,000 to get there and open the door. So I need another 3,000 roughly. Oh, there's so many. Speed coda would help me so much right now. I want to run back down there, but as soon as I'm just coming up.
Now I have reason to be angry.
Okay, we go back down here now. God, so slow. Come on. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's 200 points just there. That's right. That's like 1 kill with a knife, I think, really. Oh, I can see myself getting trapped in there. We're so close. We need the MR6 before this round starts.
We'll always find you.
Because these dogs are just going to tear me apart. Get off, Fluffy.
Back in the dirt, LP.
I mean, I think this is the one that's ever gone without max ammo. Oh. I could hear it. I could hear it, I just couldn't see it. Okay, so close.
Drown in your own blood.
Right, we need like 6,000, so we've got 5,000 for that. We need 1,500 to open the door. Yes, I'm gonna go get that. That could be somewhat majorly important. Like max ammo. If this game don't give you a max ammo now, facts, it is trolling me. There are people on Triarch watching these. I suppose the difference between the knife challenge and this one is I'm not allowed to buy the bow knife, so if I am stuck with a knife in like round 10, that's going to be harsh.
Gondola call.
Max ammo. Do the max ammo dance. Max ammo dance. Max ammo dance. Max ammo. Max ammo. Max ammo. Max ammo. Yeah, I'm good with that.
My earning power is double that of what I am used to. My blade craves for your
dear, I thought it
flesh.
was a free swipe kill. Free swipe kill. There's only one there. Okay, sweet. 7,000. We have now got enough to get there. I want enough to get back. Is that the last zombie? That is the last zombie. Right, we're gonna keep that. Let's go and upgrade this mofo. And then we can finally start this. Oh, there's another there. Should have killed him. Can't get there yet because it's not turned on. Oh, I'll pack a bunch of pieces as well. Better make sure I've done the one on the undercroft. That's the last thing that I need. I'll end up getting there and pack a bunch and build all the parts. There we go. I'm pretty sure I built that one.
Did not get broken into pieces when he arrived.
Right, let's go. Let us go. Oh, I thought the rockets starting.
What happens when we recover other Dempsey?
Go.
Maybe Richtofen will tell us of his plan for future. This weapon will be needed
Yes.
in battle ahead.
Pink. Man, I love pink. Okay, we just need enough points to get back.
Nikolai won that one, huh? You are broken.
Damn. Okay, I'm cool. We are ready for this.
Teleporter inactive. Recharging.
Did I turn that on? Oh, I didn't turn it on. I turned this one on now.
Landing pad.
Dog round.
The hounds of hell!
Now available.
Let's get out of here. Right, next on the list is Jug. Oh, that's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. Is that max ammo? I killed 3 dogs. That was 3 dogs. Oh, it may have been 4 dogs. It may have been 4. One before got in the teleporter, one hasn't got in the teleporter. And 2 then.
The area is no longer secure.
Oh, he's gone sick. Oh,
Whoever this voice is, he seems unaware of current situation.
That's a good wheeze. Want around 15 plus gameplay. Oh no, I forgot I got to take out Panzer with it. Ah no, I know I can take out Panzer. On my ways.
I thought sneaky German was Hellpig's favorite. Small explosion, small success.
No.
An angry Russian is happy Russian.
Look at them crawlers.
That
I mean, this is a sick gun to have if you're trying to do the void bow.
No explosion will equal those I saw in Stalingrad.
Really? How many bullets have I got on this? Is that 6 and 39? Yeah. Sam. Nah, not gonna run it. Really want Jug now. Uh oh. Oh, great.
Small explosion, small success.
Yeah, upgraded the
I will
MR6.
run over them like
Can't even do anything with it. You can't even put your attachments on it. I don't even understand why they're letting you upgrade it. Oh, that didn't count. Can't be using death machines. Okay, let's take these out. Yes!
You are broken.
Nice. Take that. Thank you very much.
Hello,
Oh, we can get Jug.
Hellpigs. Nikolai is ready now.
I'm gonna go this way. Not in there. Not in there. This way. Right, Jug. Can't bother with the points, to be honest. I could do a Jug and
Magical potion.
Jug
should be
stamina from
regulated
speed.
by state.
Missed the bottom ones I want. I don't want to. I don't really want to hit the one of his machine because just in case it gets like electric cherry. I know what I'm going to train him to. I'm going to train him here. This is small to train, but it's such a good place. Christ. I'm going to take that back, I think. I mean, I was on a rank 34 just there earlier and I was doing fine, but now... Oh! Right, I'll take these out.
No explosion will equal those I saw in Stalingrad.
I don't think I want to train here. I don't like that. Train somewhere else. I'll get back to the main bit. I wonder if I can take the Panzers. I should be able to take the Panzer right with these. Teleported quick. Grenade challenge. That's what I'm thinking next. Right, I'm gonna stick out here. I mean, this is a nice place to train, but when you got slow zombies and fast zombies, they tend to split up and not stick together that well.
That is how we blow things up in Russia. Nikolai won that one, huh?
Nice. 2003 stamina. Could do a run in a little bit faster. Oh, it's teleport. That teleport's quick. That do. Unless it does it per round. Oh, this is really come through the doorway and I'm stuck. Nice.
This drink brings back
This is
so
another nice
many
place to train as well.
long-forgotten memories.
Like training up here. All together now. Whoa, they changed direction real quick then. Right.
That is how we blow things up in Russia.
Nice.
I will fight my way out of any situation.
Just hit my shield. He's still coming, they're still spawning. It's got to be Panzer next round, or 11 or 12. Okay,
Small explosion, small success.
Jeez, we'll have this. I might stay here, I like it here. They stick together pretty well. It's a rocket. Where's the rocket take off from? I've never seen it. Oh, there it is. Right, let's go, boys. Round 11. I mean, realistically, you should be able to get pretty high rounds with these. It's just when you get that one mistake, bump, that's it. The Panzer. I don't know if I'm going to take the Panzer out with this or the Claw. I'm going to take him out with these, I think. But then if I take him out with these, I'm probably going to use all my ammo doing it. Look at that. Look at that. You'd be laughing now if he was doing the void well. Bring him in, boys.
Why
Bring
did
him
no
in.
one tell Nikolai he was so popular with hell pigs?
See, this feels like the last of them.
No explosion will equal those I saw in Stalingrad.
Oh, one left. You're gonna make me use one bullet. No, I ain't using it. I'm gonna go and see the tramps if he got me a max ammo down there. The gondola. These guns are sick. They look so good. The thumbnail's gonna be epic.
Gondola call.
What have we got? He's gonna give me some crap I don't want. He ain't gonna give me max ammo, is it? It's because I want a max ammo, so I'm not gonna get one. See? It's obvious.
Gondola departure.
200 points, is that it?
You are broken.
Double spawn do this. Alright, we'll take that. We can get speed now.
Though I only hold contempt for capitalism,
I don't think
this
I really
is
need
no
it,
time
to
for
be honest.
political debate.
Oh shit. Okay, we got this. No. Right, this is turned on luckily.
Nikolai won that one, huh? Small explosion, small success.
No! I ain't fucking
Can we
with
do
that.
that again?
No way. Right, we're gonna have to do the Panzer Claw. shit's gonna make you go crazy when you see what happens now. I'm just gonna have to take. No, 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 no. That was obvious, wasn't it? I was aiming at the ground. It was obvious I was going down then. I can't believe that. That reminds me of someone I know doing things like that. Guys, I think that's the second time I've done that in 2 MR6 challenges. I don't think I've ever gone down by a zombie or a panzer. I've ended up putting myself to the floor. I can't believe that as well. That panzer took like 10 to 20 bullets when I stood in there. I don't think these explosives rounds are any good for him. So I could see what was going to happen. I would have used all my MR6 ammo on him. Still wouldn't have killed him. And then that would have been it for me. Game over. So I think the panzer claw and that sort of thing is the best. Anyway guys, if you made it to the end of this video, I appreciate it so much. I've just noticed I've got long barrel and fast mags, my MR6, yet you can't actually chuck these on your weapon yet, which is crazy. I don't know why. I don't know why you can't do that. But yeah, if you made it to the end of the video guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you could leave a like rating on my video, I'd really appreciate that, and your subscription would mean the world to me. Guys, until the next video, this is your boy Dame, and I'm out.